Level 1A count.
Peter, Naomi. Second to last class, you guys did so well. We did
A lot
rhythm
of review.
breaks.
And then we did rhythm breaks.
And we did glide to the side.
Are you saying something?
No.
Okay, cool.
Here goes. Rock,
Big
step,
step,
triple step, boobity, 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 boo. That's glide to the side. When we did it in class, we did it like this. We just turned halfway, and then went away, and then this way, and then we came towards you. You can try that out if you like. Rhythm breaks go like this. We had points.
Beep boo ba 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 da da.
You swing it out. Then we did low downs.
Beep boo ba 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 da da da.
Then we got the mess around. Hey.
Beep boo ba 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 da da.
And we just talked about those nice rock steps. Remember this one? Rock step, triple step for promenade. That's a little straightish.
My name tag's shown front.
This one's really round.
Hey.
For the double turn, we both got those differences. Things were much, much clearer. That's it. Check all the recaps for next week.